So why was your mommy, your daddy, your uncle, your auntie, your cousin, your sister, your neighbor, everyone singing Gyal good this year? Come to Marketing Minutes with...
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Hey, hey, squeeze me, feel me. We can move mountain when we touch. 4 rifle lean up on the wall and mark car. Nigga, them a... Remember them track there? Alkaline, Formula, Champion Boy. Eh? Come over, baby, looking at me eye.
Brother, what's that?
A few moments later.
Maybe you need to get back to that, bro. See? Come here, I tell you one time, you know. I don't listen nothing but Alkaline, you know. Boy can't tell me nothing, you know. Yeah. All a freestyle video them, I watch you about 1,000 times, brethren. Yeah. Yeah, man. But I don't know what I'm telling you now, brethren. Like you get washed up, bro. And this bumbuckler thing where you say you're going to put out what? Every 5 years, you put out one album. What the fuck kind of blood match is that, bro? Let me
Remove your pussy wall and come down.
And that your style is very close to Adidja Palmer Vibes Cartel. What was your opinion on that?
I mean, me don't really have an opinion because, I mean, I don't really I make that comparison at the people them, but you don't.
2,000 years later. One eternity later.
If Massacre show flop this Saturday in a Barclays, me Necko fire. You see that laptop, yeah? Me give it to an upcoming DJ.
You see it? Anything sweet you? When sour your ass.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Massacre in a Barclays Center, headline in Barclays Center by himself. Me feel like CJ Milan is not the only one that pushing this party. I feel like the people them who sign Massacre is on board and them a try push Massacre. So that's why them a use Massacre as a headline for Barclays Center. And
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
You don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So I think that about represent fully.
I don't know one Media Fox bunny up, you know. Yeah, man. So people, you don't know this Saturday, Alkaline got the French Guyana. You understand? Yeah, man. You know the thing set, man. You know a mad thing, man. So people roll out French Guyana. That was loud. You don't know the girl Magalala and you don't know the Mago. Gyal, good. You see me? Yeah, man. So Saturday, French Guyana. You know the thing set. You see it? Yeah, man.
So why was your mommy, your daddy, your uncle, your auntie, your cousin, your sister, your neighbor, everyone singing Gyal good this year? Come to Marketing Minutes with culture consultants, where we take a deep dive into Caribbean brands and creatives and their marketing strategies, and we'll answer that one for you within a minute, hopefully. Beyond the production, the catchy lyrics, and the old and new elements of dancehall, the answer.
Yeah, man, you know, the thing with the Media Fox thing, you know. Yeah, man, because you don't know. Gyal good going with a bag of thing, you see me? I have to just know, say, yo, the song of the year, this. When I think nothing else you can beat this right now. I tell you, say, yo, that mash up the world right now, I tell you. Yeah, man, Gyal good, man. Top song, them, you see me?
Is UGC. UGC is an acronym for user-generated content. Any digital content shared by quote-unquote everyday people. So think of your TikTok dances, your memes, your edits, your DJ mashups, or it could be as simple as you getting your hair done and putting the song in the background. That is UGC because it doesn't necessarily come from the artist or the record label themselves. So the T is, and all you did not hear this from me, I don't mind you call it. A lot of artist marketing teams do reach out to influencers or agencies to get influencers because they're still considered as quote-unquote everyday people to push UGC into the digital space. And when it comes to Alka, I never see that. I never see that.
Yeah, man, for real, man, the Alkaline fans them promoting music, man. I tell you, Alkaline, if Alkaline for start do some serious promotion, man, boy, shake up the place, but when I know the youth music just naturally just market. The youth there, the music just powerful, you understand?
But I really think it was the audience that did the marketing. While we did hear the song on the radio, time and time again. I never played it, but time and time again. And we did hear it on streaming platforms. It was everywhere on social media, in every shape or form. And then randomly it became like a World Cup celebration song. I will insert the clips of But this was
Yeah, man, that tear down at Trinidad, you don't know what Alkaline there at Trinidad. August the 22nd. You see me, so look out, people. That I got loud, but just to show you.
driven by the people. And to really show the power of UGC, Gyal Good was #1 in 18 countries and reached 5.5 million views on YouTube alone. And with the first dancehall song to do that in 2 months this year. And that's a lesson for all artists and marketers. When a product is good, no pun intended, consumers naturally just want to share and they become a part of your marketing team. And that's what we have for our marketing minutes.
So people, the brother here, you know. You see, that's what I tell you, say, oh, the money and organizing, you know, from Vice Cartel fall from prison. It show up enough of them. If you check, 95% of them, when cartel they are prison, you never hear them talk about cartel out of their mouth. But since Vice Cartel found out from prison, everybody gone on the train and every little thing, people. I tell you, them and them switch up through them know they look hype their own cartel and cartel. Easy if you repost people and all of them thing there. Them and them switch up, but more to listen what that brother I say and hear, you know.
Hey, put up your light up for your friend and we're gone away. Gone away. Hey, squeeze me, feel me. We can move mountain when we touch. 4 rifle lean up on the wall and mark your nigga them up. Remember them chat there? Alkaline, Formula, Champion boy. Eh? Come over, baby, looking at me eye. No be clean, but we have to try. Them chat there, them time them used to listen to you. Alkaline, yeah, you do some bad song in them time, the Alkaline. Maybe you need to get back to that, bro. See? Come here, tell you one time, you know. I don't listen nothing but Alkaline, you know. Boy, can't tell me nothing, you know. Yeah. All the freestyle video, them, I watch you about 1,000 times, brethren. Yeah. Yeah, man. I love that video, they still even know. Sometimes no one didn't watch it still. Because the bad them time, the brethren. I not tell no lie, the bad them time. But I don't know what I'm telling you now, brethren. Like you get washed up, bro. And this bumbuckler thing where you say you have to put out what? Every 5 years, you put out one album. What the fuck kind of blood mass is that, bro? If you're a big artist like you. Lazy boy.
So wait there. So the man I put out album, seeing every 5 years, and you say the man lazy, brother. You feel like just putting out album 3 times for the years that's something where, bro, you have to build a good project, my G. Movado must it. When last Movado drop an album? Look how much dance all artists not drop album for much years. You understand? You feel like say just do album and just dash your album so. Album is not like you drop a one track, you know. You understand? I'm not lazy that. Artists drop album every 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. I just Alkaline thing that every 5 years. Nothing wrong with that. You see me? Because at the end of the day, you can't make people get tired to your album thing with us week out. Yeah, man. You have to make people miss it, make people want it. So when you drop it, just goes bam. You understand? Yeah, man. And the album is not like no track thing. You see it?
Every 5 years. So within 10 years, 2 album. No. That not gonna work, Alkaline. Unless you're not really enough to get to a certain level. You're just enough to fucking be comfortable. A lazy artist work them way. You're a big artist in the genre, brethren. Man must step out. I mean, 1 album, 5 years. That sounds like somebody with dumb and fool. I have them talent and I sit down on it and I want to do nothing with it. Yo, man, a Jamaican, eh? So let's get with the Bumbuckler program, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna come for you, bro. See? I'm gonna come for you.
Yo, man, I tell you, say, some crazy people there on the internet, you know. Some crazy people there on the internet, man, I tell you people. Jaja, you.
That's why I lock you up in one Bumbuckler studio. I mean, I'll let you out. See? No, man, we're not keep you, man. We just lock you up in one Bumbuckler studio. With everything what you need. The only thing you can come out the final is to take a shower and use the washroom. But you will kidnap you and lock you up in one Bumbuckler studio. Make you pitch some blood clots and walk up and then post the clot and make a genre lift up.
And that your style is very close to Adidja Palmer Vibes Cartel. What was your opinion on that?
I mean, me don't really have an opinion because, I mean, I don't really I make that comparison of the people them, but you don't know the people them are the true deciding factors of music, what makes it and what doesn't. It's so me say, so if them say that, I mean, if I just load them for say what them have to say, it's so me say.
Yeah, man, if them say that, man, no need for back and forth with them. If them want to say that, them say that, you know. You see me? Because artists are artists, greatness are greatness. If them want to say what they want to say, I just say go. You there for focus on the music and release and put music out there so people can inspire and all of these things. So if them want to say that, make them say that. Because at the end of the day, you know, you are you, him are him. You see me? I just saw people stay. When them music get greatness, them try to compare and a bag of thing.
Oh, you kind of look like Addy.
No, man, I remember saying I'm a dark-skinned guy, you know, so I don't know. You see me? Because me don't know.
But I mean, the comparison's being made, and you obviously are aware of it. But you try to keep that, you can't keep that away from Alkaline.
Yeah, man, most definitely, because I don't know my mission is different. That's what I say from every other artist, I would say.
Yeah, man. I said, go man, Alkaline thing different, man. And maybe other artists can't look at no people. It's so funny that Vice Cartel say the people them they want a Vice Cartel, so them get one. He might refer to Alkaline. So yeah, tell me, say, not even your own blood son them. You want own and them do music? Imagine people. Vice Cartel have him son them a do music. See him? And Alkaline I know him son. And the man them want own Alkaline so much. If he say, yo, them they want the next Vice Cartel and this and that and Ray. Till this day. You understand? And the man have his son. Them not, I think, yo, the man them pay Alkaline more attention than Cartels. Them not even give Cartel son them strength. And the man them with years of the music, bro. A long time you them at the music and they wouldn't give them a highlight. Every day I just Alka. Just because Alka a greatness. Remember enough artists out there, you know, we say, yo, Cartel, Gaza and every little thing, you know. And them now own them up, so you know, them forget about them. But it show you say, once you bow to Vice Cartel, you're going to get shelf. You understand? You're going to put on a bench. And that's where you go. You're not going to the conversation. You understand? You notice Massacre and Alkaline are two young artists when name a call right now. Because them man they separate them thing from Vice Cartel. All of the artists them way them talk about Gaza and this and that. Where them there? Nobody now meds them. You understand? Nobody no care about them. Them don't even talk about them, don't even see them in a conversation. You understand? Yeah, man. So that's why Alkaline say, yo, my brother different. Him don't say he's not a Gaza artist. You see me? At that, them want him to do. No for them when Alkaline just forward and when they realize Alkaline say, yo, I respect Cartel like any other artist. No for them vex because of that. Me I tell you. Yo, that song your girl good gone with the summer people. May I tell you, this gone with the summer. You understand? Gone with the summer people. You see me? This is Zimiseh, say beach. Gyal good and mash up your place. May I tell you that. Yeah, man. A mad thing, man. Can't stop the song, brother. That song is gone, brother. It's gone. You can't hold it back, me I tell you.
If Massacre show flop this Saturday in Barclays, me Necko fire. You see that laptop, yeah? Me give it to an upcoming DJ. I say go on the road and start life.
Yo, you see sometimes when I forward out and say something where they even make no sense, me G. You are forward out and say, yo, suppose it happen. So suppose it happen. What you go do? Because anyhow that happen, you know. Anyhow, me not go say it happen, but if that happen, you have to go do it, you have to go pack up DJ, you know. I tell you if I know in a Necko fire. You have to go pack it up, me G. You understand? But I come out here and make some swearing and some bet and feel like say a joke thing. Anyhow, if Massacre flap, you have to go give it that. We don't want to hear talk about a DJ or nothing. You have to go pull on a career there. Me I tell you from now.
Me retire out of music. And me deactivate all of my social media accounts them. Because me tell him, Massacre say, keep your own show. And the whole Jamaica and the whole world see that say me tell him. And me no mean no artist bad. No care you critique them music and talk bad about them music and give a bad review about them music if I book me no artist. And if every artist listen to me, them career go better. If every dancer or reggae artist listen to me, them career go better. Because me no talk of no place of hatred or envy or bad mind or jealousy. And I me tell Massacre to keep him show. And then him and CJ Milan link up and less than 2 months after they announced the Barkley show.
Brother, go sit down, nobody not see you, me G. You love talk something and feel like the people are listening to you. You're mad, man. You're a joke, man.
So why me that do that? If me didn't know, say, him can't fool Barclays. The youth will create history. And you me just say a while ago, if the show flop, me Necko fire, give him a laptop to an upcoming DJ, and me retire from music. And me deactivate all of my account them. On TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, every account. Me just come off of the internet. Cause all who do the youth, when I go see what me I talk about. That's why I make sure put out that video. Me gonna see. And the Oasis Music Festival we are going in Canada are gonna be the biggest festival. Worst Necko fire the money. So no watch and see.
You know what I'm saying? I think about something. I can't be right and I can't be wrong. Massacre in a Barclays Center, headline in Barclays Center by himself. Me feel like the CJ Milan is not the only one that pushing this party. I feel like the people them who sign Massacre is on board and them a try push Massacre. So that's why they...
Yo, you know sense in you. How Def Jam have nothing to do with Reggae Fest. You see, can see a CJ promoter thing, me G. Yo, that's what I'm telling you, yo, no IQ, you know. How Def Jam, if I see this shit, Def Jam a keep show. What Def Jam have to do with something they promote our show? Remember see a CJ Milan thing, you know, CJ Milan show, you know, Massacre the sidelines, you know, me G. You see me? That's it.
I use Massacre as a headline for Barclays Center and I feed them money out there. CJ Milan is just the face of this because of the fact that she are the one with them say for Barclays Center. That's why everybody I use her. Because we see it happen with Alkaline. Alkaline use CJ Milan and put fee money and headline Barclays Center by himself too, right? But no, this worse than even Alkaline because at least we can see at the end with Alkaline them added more people. Nobody added to this one here. I just Massacre. So
bro, two brand new rules and Reggae Fest. That's the difference. Massacre show a CJ Milan. Reggae Fest alone. You understand? Yeah.
Obviously that the people them who sign Massacre is done with this and them a try to make it look like them a try. You know, it's like them a try to say, yeah, Massacre can do it. Them a try to say Massacre can do it, but it a fail because at the price of you know have to push out there for people to come pay for. Remember this, we are this close to back to school. Me a pick me a go to college. Me a pick me a go back to high school. So, how me a go take up my money now? I have to go in a Barclays Center for 500 and for see Massacre. Me a go take my money now for go in a Barclays Center for see somebody we don't even interact on the internet. We don't even interact with them fan base. We don't even interact with the two people that we have. Like
man say Massacre not interact. I thought you know did say Alkaline interact with people. How really are going, bro? Why really are going? Me did think Alkaline no interact people in the no a Massacre. It sound like Massacre I work with Alkaline family then. Something not right.
Why would I go into Barclays Center to go see a selfish person? It's not like me I go in there go see an artist that me know say not selfish and the person help out and them and we see what person I do in a Jamaica and we see them uplift Jamaica and we see them uplift them fan base and them interact with them. You not do that, brother. You not do that. All of a sudden because the party a flop, you come out every minute and talk about Barclay. As soon as you promote for morning, me not tell you if you take a page out of cartel book and stop fight cartel. You know see cartel and lead because cartel are the man who pave one way and see say yo and the way you are the right way for walk. You know see cartel and move forward because cartel sees the light in front time. You know they in the dark see them way brother. And they in the dark because you not follow back a cartel. Instead of just go and step out in the light with the
nobody not follow cartel, me G. Follow which cartel? You see nobody follow cartel, me G? I don't feel like say, brother, if you ever talk about especially arena, me G. First of all, Alkaline done announcing an arena before Vice Cartel. First of all, Buju been at the arena. Some before Cartel release on prison. Some don't know what you mean by follow Cartel. You understand? Arena had a long time, me G. Una use some controversy and internet thing for major dancehall, me G. You see me? A internet thing una talk about when it comes to Cartel. That's all. Cartel not no bag arena like him the last year. I want him have right for this year and him move out that with. Some don't know what you talk about. Follow who? What did they follow with Vice Cartel, bro? Vice Cartel have to do what him do. Him have to do that for stay relevant. Him have to mingle. Him have to do all of them little things. You understand? Remember you know, Vice Cartel, remember them man they love clout, you know. Them love attention. So them go do any little thing. other artists out there at film age. Them man they just do them thing and focus on the music. You understand? Most of the thing when it comes to Vybz Kartel, it's not really music, brother. See him perform a regular and nobody not talk about him perform. All them talk about say them pregnant. That's some internet thing, me G. Yeah, man.
Man, when I fall back him and when I tear him down instead of, I try tear him down instead of keep pushing him so Uno can at least reach one pathway. Somebody recognize Uno. Uno backbite and backstab and then turn on now and want we if you come look for Uno. Barclays are fail because of the price of the ticket. Nobody not have money in America no more like how them used to have money. Enough time you hear people out there with them fake lifestyle and them fake no fuck. Some of them
And you are one to man.
people want to sleep on cell phone every fucking day. Them not live nowhere. Them not have no money, them broke like dog.
I must see himself in my talk, you know.
The truth be told. And no one come. This is why the crooks them. Where you think the crooks them live? The crooks them live underneath bridge. Them live in the gully. When I see in Jamaica where the crooks them there, all of them are fish. Them there in a gully, the whole of them there. Crooks live in a swamp. So none of them not come out and now. All we are call out the crooks them to come buy ticket. Them not buy no ticket. Now you turn around now and want to come argue with we from buying ticket. We are not crooks. We are not crooks. You understand?
But you say you're not crooks, Gaza, you say. So why you focus on massacre and the crooks them then? What going for Gaza? You're not talking nothing about the Gaza. If you're a Gaza man, focus on Gaza. Or you focus on the crooks them? Vendetta focus on vendetta. Crooks focus on crooks. But it come like, I don't know brother for a massacre if you no camp, bro. It come like on a heartache. I tell you no. Because I know say you can't do nothing to Alkaline. So it true massacre is one of them youth. So you just say yo, we are trying for years with Alkaline, you know. Nothing you know. So yo, massacre, you know. Yeah.
The nation we say Gaza nation. So nobody feel like say you have a ton we in a crooks or we forgot support Uno. We not go buy no ticket for $500 for massacre. And we not go buy no ticket for not even for $200, $300. We not buy them. You think the price too high? You need to drop the price of your ticket for massacre. Massacre in Barclays Center. We not do. But me already here. The youth them, the people them who sign massacre is the people them who are pushed to show you. And that's why massacre is the only person on the show. Why we can't pay for nobody else?
Ah boy. You see him so with Cartel show me, you know, Cartel alone, so I don't understand what going on. But people you don't know one media facts, you know. Yeah man, big up on yourself, man, a mad thing, man. That is it.